So here is a quick tutorial video for adding this Instagram profile snippet to your website. First of all, you have to copy the script and add it to your page head like this. In case you want to use it on multiple pages, then you can add this script to your project head, then save this. After that, go back to the page and write your username. I'm using my friend's username. So it will take few seconds to generate a preview. After that, you can customize the border like this. You can change the border radius also. And this is to change the border color like this. Then click on this copy code button and go back to your project. Add a embed element and paste the copied code. Save and close this pop-up. Now click on the publish button and wait for a few seconds. Open the published URL and yeah, here you can see the snippet embedded on the page, and this is completely responsive. And check here. So see you soon with more such side projects. Thank you.